Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to wake up richer than when you went to sleep? Not because you hit a jackpot or flipped a house overnight, but because technology did the heavy lifting while you were deep in REM sleep. Imagine a digital partner that doesn't take breaks, doesn't eat, doesn't scroll social media, and doesn't wait for the perfect moment to act. A system that earns money while you don't even think about your finance. Sounds futuristic? It's happening right now, and it's called AI-powered passive income. But what exactly is this AI system that makes money while you sleep? Is it a myth, a scam, or the next revolution in personal wealth? Stick with me, because we are going deep, real, and unfiltered. Have you heard of automated trading bots but dismiss them as risky or gimmicky? Picture an AI trained on massive amounts of financial stocks, crypto, forex that can detect patterns humans can't see. This is not your average bot that blindly buys or sells. This is machine learning on autopilot, constantly adjusting its strategies based on global market behavior, news sentiment, economic trends, and hyper-fast computing. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't panic, it doesn't get emotional. It just optimizes. So how does it actually work? Think of this AI as a digital hedge fund manager with no ego. Traditional investing relies on human decision-making, which means fear and greed often cloud judgment. Humans sell low and buy high in panic. AI, on the other hand, calculates probability. It identifies entry and exit points in the market based on statistical model. It backtests strategies with historical data. Then it executes trades within milliseconds, often capitalizing on opportunities before most humans blink. But let's pause. What are you picturing right now? Are you imagining a black box that sputters out profits like magic? That's what most people incorrectly assume. The reality is that the AI doesn't guarantee profit. It increases probability and manages risk in ways that humans usually fail to do on their own. It can reduce emotional decisions that have cost traders billions collectively over decades. Yet, here's a question that makes everyone stop. Can this AI really earn you money every day you sleep? Yeah, but with condition. You still need initial capital. You still need proper risk management settings. And you need to understand that no system is infallible. Great returns are possible. Markets can be volatile, so the goal isn't guaranteed riches. It's consistent performance over time. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't expect instant shade, but if you water it consistently and give it time, it grows strong. Now let's get real. What about those horror stories of people losing money to bots? Did the AI fail them? Actually, in most cases, the setup failed them. They used bots with poor risk parameters, outdated algorithms, or worse, bots created by people looking for quick cash from unsuspecting buyers. This is where education comes in. A well-configured AI system must have adaptive learning, so it evolves with market, robust risk management to limit significant drawdown, transparency, so you understand how decisions, regular updates, because markets change, and so should your tools. Think about it like hiring a financial advisor. Would you trust someone who hasn't learned anything new in 20 years? No. So why trust a static bot? The best AI systems learn daily. Here's something that might blow your mind. AI doesn't just trade financially. There are systems now that generate money by creating content, selling digital products, managing e-commerce, and even automating entire business work. Some entrepreneurs are using AI to write books, design courses, manage ads, respond to customers, and optimize sales funnel, all while they sleep. Let me ask you a question that might get your pulse racing. What if you could own multiple AI systems doing different money-making jobs at the same time? One AI trades crypto, another runs your dropshipping, another creates YouTube script, another writes and publishes ebooks. Suddenly, it's not one income stream, it's a network of autonomous earners. But before you go all in, do you understand what you're investing in? Because the biggest mistake is jumping in because of hype. This is where strategy beats impulse. So let's break down a simple, real-world process how someone could set up an AI system that earns while they sleep. Step 1. Choose your AI model purpose. Are you focusing on trading, e-commerce, content creation? Each has different requirements. If it's trading, do you want crypto or stocks? If it's content, do you want blogs, videos, or courses? Step 2. Backtest with historical data. Good AI learns from past patterns. Before risking real capital, the AI needs simulated runs. This is like a dress rehearsal. Step 3. Set risk parameters. Decide how much you're willing to risk on each trade or project. Good AI respects these limits without emotional flare-ups. Step 4. Go live with monitoring. You don't babysit. You monitor. Analytics dashboards show performance, drawdowns, and trends. You adjust, but not emotionally. Step 5. Scale over time. Once validated, you can scale capital, expand to new markets, or even integrate more AI systems. Now that sounds promising, but let's answer a question you're probably thinking. Isn't this just for wealthy people or tech geniuses? Absolutely not. The barrier to entry has fallen drastically in just a few years. Cloud platforms, open source AI frameworks, and decentralized finance have made these systems accessible to everyday users. You don't need a PhD in machine learning. You need curiosity, discipline, and critical thinking. But let's get something clear. AI won't make you rich overnight. It improves the odds of making money over time. Think of AI as a tool like electricity or the internet, powerful and transformative, but it still needs a strategy and intent. Here's another compelling thought. What if you could replicate this system for your friends or family? No hype, no promises, just systems built on logic and data. You're not selling dreams, you're teaching leverage. That's empowerment. People often ask, can I just plug in any AI bot and forget it forever? The short answer is no. Markets evolve, conditions shift, and new variables emerge. Even the best AI systems need occasional tuning, just like a high-performance engine. But the amount of effort once required, hours of chart analysis, emotional decision-making, manual order execution, is drastically reduced. That's where true sleeping revenue comes from. Let's pivot to something even more exciting. AI systems aren't limited to financial markets anymore. Companies now use AI that writes marketing copy, optimizes ad spending in real time, generates design assets, and predicts trends before they become mainstream. If you own a digital business or want to start one, AI can essentially run parts of it autonomously. Ask yourself this: what would freedom look like if your income wasn't tied to your hours worked? If you could travel the world, spend more time with family, or pursue creative passions, and still earn? This isn't fantasy. People are already doing it. Some earn hundreds per day. Others earn thousands. And the key difference isn't luck. It's systems. Okay, here's a question you don't hear often. Can AI replace human creativity in making money? In some areas, yes, but in others, no. AI can generate content, but it still needs human direction to captivate audience. AI can analyze data, but it needs human intuition to define vision. The winners combined human intelligence with artificial speed. So if you're building an AI system to make money while you sleep, don't aim to replace yourself, aim to amplify yourself. That's where the magic happens. Now let's talk about real risks, because no honest conversation about making money should ignore them. AI systems depend on data integrity. Bad data equals bad decisions. If you feed flawed assumptions into even the smartest algorithm, it will still produce flawed outcomes. That's why data sources, validation checks, and continuous monitoring are essential. Also, market shocks, like sudden political upheavals, economic crises, or black swan events, can disrupt AI predictions. But here's the twist. AI systems with real-time learning can adapt faster than traditional systems. That's why companies with AI-driven strategies often recover quicker than those relying on manual decision-making. Let's shift gears. What could you do with an AI system earning passively? Imagine paying off debt faster. Imagine investing in your education. Imagine building a new business. Imagine having more time for experiences rather than transactions. Because here's the real truth. Money matters, but time matters more. And here's a question that might keep you up at night, in a good way. What will you do with the time and freedom that passive AI income could create? Travel? Learn a new language? Build a passion project? Spend weekends with loved ones? The possibilities are huge. Before we wrap up, let's envision the future. AI is evolving at lightning speed. What's coming next won't just be smarter trading bots. It will be holistic AI ecosystems that manage multiple income streams seamlessly. Some analysts predict AI will eventually autonomously create, market, sell, and optimize digital products, all without human intervention beyond initial setup and strategy guidance. But remember this: technology is a tool, not a replacement for human purpose. The AI system can earn while you sleep, but you choose the life you want to wake up to. So here's your challenge. Don't chase the idea of easy money. Chase the idea of smart leverage. Build systems that align with your goals. Learn the fundamentals. Implement with discipline, and then let technology amplify your efforts. Because if you do that, if you combine human vision with artificial precision, waking up richer might just become your new normal. Now tell me, if you could design your own AI-powered income system, what would it focus on first? Trading? Content? E-commerce? Something no one's done yet? Think about it and drop that in the comments so we can talk about it.